All right, I have to abandon ship. I'm abandoning ship. I'm leaving. No one in charge here. It's a free for all. Caleb's doing a monster job here. I didn't never expect her to come back.
Not a monster job, but it's definitely a
So we're gonna replace this side mirror. I mean, it's pretty decent compared to what's been going on.
It just doesn't feel like a monster job because it's all
Easy work.
yeah.
So I gotta go pick up a used mirror assembly. Caleb's gonna pound out the brake job. Whew. This is the car we took the underbody shield off. Absolutely no adverse effect. Will that affect anything back here? You know what she'll notice? Her car's not rattling anymore. Hopefully that the ABS unit is at this next junkyard. Maybe she can call them on my way there. Maybe they have one. All right, guys, I'll bring you back later. Thanks for watching.